That's coming in a day after India today exposed COVID protocol violations at political rallies in Bihar. Remember, we carried a series of pictures yesterday. The Election Commission has stepped in. It's reprimanded political parties, asked the electoral officers and district officials in Bihar to act against all candidates and organizers who are not following COVID protocols. Remember, in many rallies, no masks, no social distancing, and those overcrowded rallies have become a source of worry in Bihar at a time like this. Joining me now is our correspondent Aishwarya Paliwal from Delhi. Aishwarya, what exactly is the Election Commission planning to do? Because how many such rallies can they monitor? And they've known this. Why did it require all of us to put it out on TV for the Election Commission to wake up?
Well, I think that definitely is a very big question. The question at the moment is, how will the Election Commission sitting in Delhi make sure what is happening in Bihar does not continue? Now, from what we understand, the CEO of Bihar has been given very clear instructions. The DEOs, the district election officers have been given very clear instructions today to make sure every protocol is followed. Let me also tell you, the ECI is saying the guidelines were given out on the 21st of August, which clearly means officials in Bihar had ample time. The other thing very important, Rajdeep, to note is that all the guidelines were made after consultation with political parties. So it's not as if political parties did not know what the guidelines were. Now, from what we understand, from tomorrow, we will see a clampdown on these kind of rallies. What the punishment will be?
No, Aishwarya, I'm trying to understand what can they do. The Prime Minister is going to hold a dozen rallies over the next 10 days in Bihar. You can expect even larger crowds possibly for Prime Minister Modi's rallies. What happens? Can the Election Commission tell the BJP that this is unacceptable, or tell in Tejaswi's case that the RJD has to control the crowds? Who's going to control the crowds?
See, what really needs to happen, the officials on ground are the ones who now need to make sure guidelines are followed. But what they can actually do, they have evoked Disaster Management Act. They are saying from Section 51 to Section 60, which means imprisonment up to 1 year, fine, or both. This is what very clearly the Election Commission in the letter that they have sent to political parties today is saying. So that is also a possibility that could also happen. But at the moment, manpower is what is required, Rajdeep, on the ground. The onus now actually lies with the CEO of Bihar. He will have to make sure all the guidelines are adhered to. Right. Otherwise, we could see the ECI stepping in and taking some action against all the political parties involved in the Bihar election, Rajdeep.
Aishwarya Paliwal, for giving us a sense of what the Election Commission is likely to do. Thank you very much for joining me on that story. Let's turn from there to our ground report, which also comes from Bihar.